Choosing the right USAA insurance plan can feel overwhelming, but this video will guide you through the process step by step. First, let's explore the insurance options. USAA provides a variety of insurance products: auto, homeowners, renters, life insurance, and even umbrella policies, covering you for various aspects of your life. Consider your needs and what you want covered. Next, compare the coverage levels. USAA often offers different tiers, like basic, standard, and premium. These vary primarily in liability limits, types of perils covered, and deductibles. Carefully review the details of each plan. A higher premium typically offers more comprehensive protection, but you may need to balance cost with risk. Now, evaluate your requirements. Think about what you're insuring. Where do you live? What assets do you have? How much risk are you comfortable taking on? Having a clear idea of your needs will help you narrow down your choices. Consider legal requirements too. Finally, get a quote and compare plans. Visit the USAA website to create an account or log in, then get a quote. This allows you to see the actual cost and the coverage details for your specific situation. This is where you'll see the real dollar amounts. Congratulations! You are well on your way to choosing the right USAA insurance plan. Remember to revisit your coverage periodically to adjust as your life changes.